Hello Shisha. Today we're going to look at NTSE Stage 2 2012 paper. Let's continue with the quote. Be courteous to all, but intimate with few, and let those few be well tried before you give them your confidence. It appears like a thing which we cannot understand. We have to develop a habit of being courteous to all because some people won't be. So when you actually treat all of them, it actually gives a turn to you and it makes everyone to become courteous to everyone. I hope you understand it. Let's continue with the first question here. It is, even I believe this paper might not be for 10th, could be for 8th, I think so. First one, which of the following situations is likely to cause muscle cramps? Obviously, it is an anaerobic mode of respiration, so the products will be lactic acid. So we can see that glucose is present. In the absence of oxygen, it's going to form the lactic acid. That's why it's going to cause muscle cramps. Next, match each item in column 1 with appropriate ones in column 2. And here you can find the animals. A red-eyed frog, which is a sticky pad, and toucan, long large beak, and big cats, which are thick, which are skin and sensitive hearing, and polar bears, thick skin and strong sense of smell. So it's a kind of geography question. So option 3 is correct here. Which one of the following is not a reason for shortage of usable water? So decrease in sea level may not be a reason here. Next, match the column 1 with appropriate items from column 2. Here we have to observe the vegetative structures of the plants, and potato is considered as a tuber. We can go, first one is called as rhizome, so we have three options here. Let's go with second one. Onion is called as bulb, so we have only one option here, so obviously the answer is going to be first one. Next, question 5. In the wastewater treatment plant, air is pumped into water too. Here I think we already seen this question quite early. uh, it's going to support aerobic growth of aerobic bacteria, so that's the reason why we are going to pump the air for a purpose. Next question is question 6. Select the correct schematic representation of blood circulation in human from the followings. So we knew that body has connected with heart and heart again to the lungs. The connectivity from body to lungs, we have two names like pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. So body is getting connected with heart through veins, and again heart to body with arteries, and heart to lungs through pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. So be sure you know the difference between these. So veins, pulmonary artery exceptionally carries the deoxygenated blood, whereas the other ones, I think the other ones are not actually connected with each other. Uh, Here, so body, veins, heart. Again, you can see veins here. So we may not go with any other option. So go with option 2 here. Sixth one, option 2. Next, seventh one. Water holding capacity of clay soil is more than sandy soil because space between clay particles is more, surface of clay particles is more. Next, space between sand particle is more, clay particle can absorb more water. So here if you see the reason here, so space between sand particle is more, that's the reason why water holding capacity is less in sand, and clay particle can absorb more water. So option 4 is correct here. Question 8. Match the items in column 1 with the appropriate ones in column 2. Here, these are the steps from the first lesson, I think so, in bio. So winnowing is where separation of grain from chaff. So one is going to be C, and threshing is going to separation of seed from chaff. Drip system is a type of irrigation, and weeds is a weeder can be removed through how. So eighth one, option 4 is correct here. Option 4, sorry. Next question 9, silk fiber are secreted by. So obviously through larva. Next, students were taken to a museum on an educational trip. Which one of the following documents will provide the information on endangered animals and plants? So it's Red Data Book published by IUCN. Next question 11. Two sisters looked exactly same. This may due to the genes present inside them, so whereas the other ones have no direct relation. Next question 12. Baker's yeast is added to aquarium for the following reasons. It provides minerals and metals. It absorbs heavy metals present in water and purifies it. It helps the plant for photosynthesis through aerobic respiration. It helps the plants photosynthesis through anaerobic respiration. So, though we have a lot of options here, uh, I believe that it provides minerals and I'm sorry, one second. So, 12th one, it absorbs heavy metals present and purifies it. I think option E and B could be the right answers here. So let's go with this. And if you have any corrections you want me to suggest, please give me a comment on this. Next question 13 here. So match column 1 and column 2. I think again we got this wool question. I think I already went through some important text. So 13th one, A is the right answer. Next question 14 and last one. After rain, tadpoles are found swimming in a pond, but not the frogs. This is due to, we have few reasons, because pituitary hormones are not the reason. Lack of sex hormones is not the reason. So lack of thyroxine and lack of iodine in water are the reasons why they are not much grown up. So once these things come to or produce in the body, and they start becoming adult ones. All right, so that's it from me today. I wish you all the best. So see you soon with another paper discussion.